After posting my video last week showing Sophie Rain's $1 Million X strategy, someone commented asking the best way to funnel traffic from social media to the OnlyFans account with a high conversion rate. In particular, they were asking, what do we do about the messages, whether we should just ignore them or respond to them, what will increase the conversion rate. So it'd be rude of me not to show you exactly how to do that. All right, now before you do any of that, before you do any marketing on X, Insta, Reddit, anything like that, you need to make sure the OnlyFans account itself is optimized for conversions. Otherwise, you're actually just wasting your time marketing. So you want to do this first and foremost, all right? Now you can find this in my school, link is below. So the first thing you want to do is you make sure you want to have a good subscription price that looks appealing. That will increase conversion rates in itself. So I recommend setting the price between $8 to $18 a month, depending on the attractiveness of the model. And then what you also want to do is include a 50% discount. So say you want to set the subscription price to $9 a month, then you'll actually set it to $18 with a 50% discount, and then you write a little message. It's my birthday, whatever, make something up, include a number, only 100 left, whatever, only 60 left, just for scarcity, just for urgency. And then you want to create discount bundles, so 30% off 3 months, 40% off 6 months, 50% off 12 months, right? So that is the subscription price. Next thing, you want to make sure the bio is optimized for higher conversions. Now, if the model has any menu or anything like that, girls are mainly talking about you. No menu, don't list prices, it just looks so unattractive. And when guys come to the page, they feel like they're in an eBay shop, they feel like they're in a shop. And you know when you go to a store and you're buying something and someone that works there comes up to you, asks if you're all right, if you need any help, you know how annoying that is? Well, that's like if you have a menu on your store, as soon as a simp comes to the OnlyFans account, sees that bio with your menu, brings back all those unpleasant memories. So just don't do that, all right? So I recommend you write a little bit of something. Remember, you have to act like a girl, look like a model, something fun, something flirtatious, and then a little list of what you include. Remember, don't look too professional, don't like a shop. First things I'd recommend is I reply to all DMs daily, no PPV spam or shoutouts, and custom content requests. The rest is up to you, play around with that. Premium high quality photo shoots, I don't actually recommend that because raw content sells better. This is just an example of a bio for a model that we have worked with in the past, right? Then down below, you'll see clean up OnlyFans feed welcome message, but don't worry about that, that's for later. First thing you want to do is make sure the traffic converts to subscribers first. Now on top of the bio and the subscription price, you want to make sure the OnlyFans account has at least 1,000 likes on it. Now, this is social proof. As soon as a subscriber goes to the OnlyFans account, they're going to see a few numbers, the images, the amount of videos, and the number of likes on the page. I have noticed a massive difference between OnlyFans accounts with less than 1,000 likes and accounts with over 1,000 likes. Now, there are different places where you can buy likes from. I'm not going to go into that. I'm not going to make this video longer than it has to. You can just Google OnlyFans likes, purchase, whatever. Purchase 1,000 likes at least for the account and you'll notice a big difference. And then on top of this, there's a script you can use that gets all the new subscribers to also like some posts in return for a tease. But that's getting off topic again. That's just a script. The point is, have it all work together. So as soon as subscribers appear, they automatically get sent a message. That starts the script that gets them to like posts, which adds social proof. In return, they make themselves horny. Then you send them a tease, then you upsell the full video. It just all works together. The full method is on the school. But anyway, back to converting, all right? So you got the subscription price, you got the bio, and at least 1,000 likes. Next thing you want to do is you want to set up the link tree if you haven't already. If you haven't figured out already, if you just post an OnlyFans link straight in the bio on like X, Insta, whatever, Reddit, it won't last that long. So the best thing you can do is hide this inside a link tree, a beacons. There's a few different versions out there. They all do the same thing. What you're doing is you're just going to add the OnlyFans account link. Now, to also increase conversions, make sure there's only one link inside the link tree. Don't add your Insta, Snap, Twitter, whatever. One link. The more links you have, the more you're going to divide the traffic and lower the conversion rate. So one link. All right, so that's the link tree sorted. Now, finally, back to the DMs, like the comment was asking me about. We're going to go full circle here. Just ignore them. Ignoring the DMs will increase conversion rate. But if you haven't optimized the OnlyFans account, you haven't hidden inside a link tree, you haven't social proofed the OnlyFans account with likes and that, it doesn't matter what you do, you're going to get a low conversion rate. But assuming all of that is done and all your ducks are in a row, you're going to ignore all of the DMs. Guys want the girl's attention. If you respond to them and give them what they want on Insta, on X, on whatever, you're already giving them what they want. So why on earth are they going to click on a link and pay money to get the attention when the girl is already giving the attention on the Insta, on the X, or whatever? So ignore all messages. Now, I won't make this video any longer than it has to, but hopefully that answers your question, all right? So you're going to optimize the OnlyFans account. You're going to ignore all of the messages and you're going to be subtle, hide the OnlyFans link inside a link tree, just the OnlyFans link itself, no other links. Don't make it harder than it has to. Don't lower the conversion rate by adding more links. All right, now as usual, if you like my content and you don't think I'm full of shit, then join my school. Link is below the video. You'll find a whole bunch of bangers like this. 100 is in there. Myself, feel free to ask questions. I'll be on the inside. And then as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on next week's video.